Brittany here. I know you guys are like, whoa, there's a video on this new video on this channel. I finally got around to filming a video. Oh, also, and baby Nova, she is sleeping right now. But yeah, today's video is going to be how I organize my pantry, and you guys will see my before in a second. Everything that all the containers and the baskets and everything that I use for this video are from Amazon, and I will link everything, all the links in the description box so you guys can check them out. And if you guys have any questions on what I did or any tips that I can do better for my organization, let me know. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful. And yeah, on to the video. So I started by taking out everything off of the racks on one side, not everything out all at one time because I didn't want to get overwhelmed. And then I just put everything that can go into a container, like the cereals, into the container bins, and then also into the little racks. And then once I have my jars full, I put them neatly back in. So I love these little baskets because you can see the snacks and they're organized and you can just pick from them and go. So once I completed one side, I move on to the next side. Again, I didn't want to do it all at once because one, I don't have that much counter space to take everything out, but it was just, I would get too overwhelmed if I took everything out at one time. So for me, it was easiest to do one side at a time. I like to keep my plastic bags, so I found this little plastic bag holder on Amazon. Lastly, I got these command hooks to hang up my mop and my broom. So I did end up having a little bit of overflow. I had to get 2 extra baskets. But other than that, this is the before. You can see it was really cluttery and junky. And this is the after. I like how it came out, so much more organized and clear, and I can see everything. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, if you guys have any tips or questions, let me know in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.